Hello, my name is Layla, and this is part two to my tutorial on how to use Google Sites as an ePortfolio. So I'm just going to jump right in and open up my ePortfolio. So in the last video, what we did was I told you how to customize and how to add pages and delete them. Uh, so I'm just going to jump right in and teach you how to add a text box. So say you want to do a welcome, I just click the A button or text box, right, and insert and start typing welcome to my portfolio. A really handy thing with the text tool is that you can use these little tabs to change the width of your text so that maybe it goes right along with an image. Speaking of images, I'm going to show you right now how to upload an image. Because I'm thinking of portfolios right now, I'm just going to search up Finder, and I'm going to go into Images, and I'm just going to click on that one, side click, and save the image. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to go back into my ePortfolio, and I'm going to click Upload. Now I'm going to grab the image, and it will just upload itself right into my ePortfolio. With these, you can also change the width, length, but I'm just going to change the whole size by pulling in that tab. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and change the color of this. So if you hover over it, there's a palette, and I'm just going to click that. And you can also put an image, but just to tie in with the kind of dark feel there, I'm just going to put on emphasis too. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to insert a YouTube video. So if you are maybe basing a project that your students do off of a video, or a picture, then it's really useful for that student on that page to put in the video. And to do that, you can either click embed URL, which will take more time with the YouTube video, but with other things, that's the way to go. But with YouTube, there's actually just a button straight for Google Embeds, and then you're just going to search up for your video. So, or you could upload it. Why poetry is important. And once you find your video, you just double click that and it will embed itself right in. No links required. So it's really good, this feature, because your reader doesn't have to keep clicking through links. It's right in there and I can watch it within my Google site. So maybe I want to put a caption. I can click the text button and say, and put in a quick caption. So but that's under my video, and it doesn't give the same effect as having it right beside it. So what we're going to do is click our text box, and this your students might want to write about why they thought this was a great TED Talk or why they disagreed with it, what they felt about it. So it goes right along with the video. Well, the last thing that I'm going to be, one of the last things that I'm going to be showing you today is how to embed a document. Now, if your students are trying to show their work, it's probably best that they don't have to click through links to get to their work and show their work. So the way that you embed your document in is that you go to the page. This is my duck poem page, and then I'm just going to click into my drive and search for my duck. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to grab the URL from here. I'm going to copy it, go back into my ePortfolio, then I'm going to click on Embed URL, the yellow sign, and I'm going to paste it. You'll get a preview of what it will look like, and you're going to click Insert. Now, you're only going to see a snippet of it when it's like this. So you're going to grab this one, and you're just going to pull it down, and you're going to have to scroll a little bit. There. Sometimes sometimes you can't make it longer, and that really sucks. But once you're in preview mode, which I'm going to show you in a second, if that last step didn't work, there's a little slider like this, so you'll be able to see the whole thing. And again, I'm just going to do that. And now I'm going to show you one of the coolest features. There's a preview mode, like with any website builder, but it will show you just exactly how anybody actually looking through your ePortfolio would see it. So we've got my home page, my little piece of information, and then my sidebar. So then I'm going to go into poetry, and it will just be there right inserted. And see, it works right in the site, so which is great. Next, I'm going to go to my Duck Poem page, and you can see it. So I had 2 copies in this, so you can see the scrolling thing that I had shown you before. But one of the great things is that you can have the large screen, see how it would look on a tablet, and see how it would look on a phone, which is really great. Now to exit preview mode, you just have to click the X. One of the last things I'm going to be showing you is how to change your navigation bar. Maybe you don't want it at the top. What I usually do is I put it on the side. So what you're going to do is hover over the navigation bar, and you're just going to click on the little widget. Then you're going to select side navigation if that's what you want. And now you see these 3 little lines. If you click that, it will pop out just like that, which is a really great feature. Thank you for watching my video, and there's going to be one last video. Bye!